वक्त का इंतजार कीजिए जनाब, इस बार हम नहीं आप हमसे मिलने आएंगे।
According to Stephen B. Bryant, the Einstein-Lorentz transformations map values from a sphere in K onto multiple spheres in K dash. His does not produce a single sphere in K dash and results in the failure of Einstein's spherical wave proof. Previous concept. All concepts of energy and mass try to make a relation. These relations cannot explain perfect answer of whole world. Mohammad Javed Khilji. The multifoci closed curve theory suggests that the orbit will vary with the changes in the shape of the nucleus. Theory of real relativity. Gajendra Shankwar 09893726115. s@Gajendra_Indiatime.com. Previous concept. All concepts of energy and mass try to make a relation. For example, Isaac Newton, S.T. Preston, Henry Pareto, Tolver, Jules Henry, Poincare, Einstein, Planck, and Ajay Sharma. Note: here red circles show multifoci concept of M. J. Khilji and spherical wave concept of Stephen Bryant, but obviously concept lies around the light blue circle. But these theories comparison among different theories of energy and mass. Here Max Planck's equal formulas values for different particles and the theory of real relativity energy mass relations values both are in blue colors. These data show that the theory of real relativity is very accurate. Theory of real relativity, Gajendra Shankwar 9893726115. In this theory, it is a maker of a living and non-living thing. It is a creator of universe of multiverse. It is a helper or assistant of any fundamental particle. It is a demonstration and present, past and future of in space and time. It defines real and imaginary possibility of fundamental particles. The effect of inherent energy coefficient and external energy coefficients are always present in space and time. These coefficients create fundamental particle or matter from energy. Here inner circle G1 and outer circle G2. Theory of real relativity, Gajendra Shankwar 09893726115. Postulates of the theory. The important points, the following rules should be considered according to the theory of real relativity, that is weight of mu is greater than weight of m and numerical values of mu is less than numerical values of m. The effect of inherent energy coefficient and external energy coefficients are always present in space and time. I discovered new relations with concern to about real energy relation, that is Wonder Bomb theory with respect to the Big Bang theory with new general distribution law. Formation of fundamental particle, behavior coefficient G1 and G2, increasing the age of a living creature. Theory of real relativity and its calculation. For DNA, the mass of Planck energy and real energy mass relation both are same. For case of proton and DNA. Here I also calculated some new data for electron proton division, German quark, meson, fusion, uranium, replication of DNA, neutron. The data are very results. In some cases, the speed of fundamental particle is greater than the speed of light, like as a neutrino. The smaller values of wavelength shows that the very important production at this range of wavelength, the very smallest value of wavelength shows that the living creation and starting of consciousness. Very large value of wavelength shows that the reactions occurs in the atmosphere of cosine rays. Theory of real relativity and its calculations graph. This graph shows that the very closest difference between real energy mass relation and other energy mass relations, including Einstein's relation, equivalency square. This graph also shows that the behavior of coefficients G1 and G2. Here, nearest point of x-axis, that is indicated by blue colors, it shows that the real energy mass relation and Max Planck relations, while the far point from x-axis, that is indicated in red colors, that is other energy mass relations including Einstein's relation, equivalency square. Hence we can say that the theory of real relativity is very accurate and most perfect with respect to other theories of energy mass relation.
वक्त का इंतजार कीजिए जनाब, इस बार हम नहीं, आप हमसे मिलने आएंगे।